This video shows how to buy shares of Endur ASA, a company listed on Euronext under the ticker ENDUR.OL, and provides a short overview of the company context for reference. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker ENDUR.OL to find Endur ASA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to open the correct stock instrument. On the Endur ASA asset page, you will see a concise company description and the price chart for the stock. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the right asset. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before execution. Once the order is executed, your Endur ASA position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform as an informational resource.